Hello class, we're doing Red 1.3, P 1.3. Okay, let's take a look at our even numbers. Here, our rule is that we do not subtract integers. So we change the subtraction sign to a plus. And if we change the subtraction to a plus, then the sign that follows must also be changed. Therefore, we now have a positive 6 plus a positive 7. Positive 6 plus a positive 7 gives us a positive 13. Okay, let's look at number 4. Number 4, once again, we change the subtraction sign to a plus, and because we do that, it affects the sign that follows. So now we have a negative 5 plus a positive 4. The signs are different, therefore we subtract the difference, which will be 1, and we take the sign of the greater absolute value, which would be negative. Okay. Next, we're looking at number 6. Our number 6, we examine our problem and we notice that there is a subtraction symbol here. So therefore we change this sign to a plus, which causes this to change to a plus. This we leave alone because it is not subtraction, it is plus. Therefore, the negative 16 plus a positive 12, the difference between the two, because their signs are different, is 4. And the sign of the greater value is negative. Now we rewrite our problem. And now we compare a negative 4 plus a negative 8. They both are negative. Therefore, we just add and keep the sign. Let's look at number 8. On number 8, x has a value of negative 4. So we rewrite our problem, 6 minus negative 4. We change our subtraction, and therefore we change the sign that follows. So now both 6 and 4 are positive, so we add and we keep the sign. Number 10, negative 17 plus z, z is 3, minus x, x is negative 4. So let's rewrite the problem. Negative 17 plus z is 3 minus x is negative 4. We must change the sign, therefore it affects this sign. And now we have negative 17 plus 3. The signs are different. The difference is 14, and the greater sign is negative. Now we bring down the rest of our problem, plus a positive 4. So negative 4 plus a positive 4, the difference is 10, and we keep the sign of the greater value. Okay, let's look at number 12. Okay, on number 12, it reads, you begin a hike in Death Valley, California at an elevation of negative 86 meters. You hike to a point of elevation of 45 meters. What is your change in elevation? Well, you must take your highest, which is 45, and your lowest, which is negative 86. So you take your highest minus your lowest. That's how you determine a range. Okay? So when you take your highest minus your lowest, you change your signs. Therefore, when you add the two together, you have 131. Okay? Let's take a look at the next one. All right, on this next one, we look at all of the scores. Okay? The highest score is a positive 3. The lowest score is a negative 8. So you change the sign. And once you change the sign, the positive minus a negative, excuse me, I didn't write it correctly. 3 minus a negative 8, okay? So it's plus, plus, all right? This is incorrect. I did not write it correctly, okay? So 3 plus negative 8, we change the sign, and therefore you have 11, okay? There you are. See you in the morning.